An ACL reconstruction surgery is performed on your knee when you suffer from a torn ACL due to an accident. A partial or complete ACL tear is a common injury in strenuous and even non strenuous pivoting or twisting related activities. The ACL helps control knee rotation and has a strategic position connecting the femur and tibia. Therefore, tears can result in intense pain, instability, and swelling, among other symptoms. These conditions are corrected using an ACL reconstruction surgery that restore the knee's stability and range of motion. This reconstructive medical procedure involves replacing your damaged ACL with a graft material sourced from your body or from a donor. When the graft used to perform the process is from your own body, it is called an autograft. Otherwise, it is known as an allograft. Your surgeon will select the reconstruction method suitable for you based on your age and activity level. For instance, a full-thickness quadriceps autograft is recommended for individuals with pre-existing conditions and large injuries. The quadriceps muscle is harvested using a small cut above the patella, a bone located in front of the knee joint. Here, the surgeon harvests the middle part of the quadriceps tendon attached to one end of the patella. During reconstruction, the tendon is reinforced using suture material. The process continues by removing the torn ACL and any other debris from where the ligament was attached. Your surgeon will then use a guide wire and a surgical drill to create a hole in the femur and tibia. This is the position where the graft will be anchored. Different surgeons use varied techniques when it comes to anchoring the femoral end. Some prefer threading a suture through a tiny metal button, while others prefer using screw fixation. Some surgeons may decide to twist the graft before fixation to mimic the rotational positioning of ACL fibers. ACL reconstruction does involve incisions to your body. Hence, your anesthesiologist will determine whether to use regional or general anesthesia. ACL replacement surgery is a relatively fast procedure with no downtime, meaning you can return home on the same day. It is recommended to keep your leg in an elevated position and ice your knee for best results. Also, pain relievers are prescribed to help manage the pain. Your surgeon may also advise you to wear braces that protect the graft during the healing period. Other factors critical for quick recovery include exercise and physical therapy. Complications with this procedure can include bleeding, infection, and stiffness. Your surgeon will monitor your progress in the recovery period and intervene when necessary to avoid these issues.